get a scope, please, bro?
You finned the other guy, right?
No, he took portal. Cause I was trying to cover for fucking that guy.
Good.
Holy fuck. He's amazing. They're not in a very good spot. FYI.
Somebody
They were
running on us.
burning. Well, I didn't take that.
No, you're good, you're good.
Oh yeah, I'm like, I'm not taking it. We have a better spot here.
Recharging my shields. Enemy out there. Attention. Delivering replicator.
A replicator descends.
Better spotted. Knock. Knock. Take
It's
portal.
okay, brother,
No, you're good.
I'm gonna ult this. Oh, what? Portal disappeared. Me and him. What's up? I hope you're alright, brother.
Yeah, I'm good. He went down.
Oh shit, I didn't realize I was in zone. I thought you guys said you were dropping.
Drop low, maybe? I'm dropping.
He's real one. If you could. Yeah.
Package over there.
Respawn.
Replenishing my shield.
I can. Hold on. Fuck, why didn't you tell me you were doing the fight?
Traded. Traded.
Okay, I'm coming.
They use Nexus. Just hit me.
I'm going. Run! Take it, please.
Where?
Right there. What? It had my charge rifle out, but I had my fucking stupid ass devotion out when I took it.
Take it.
Yeah, I know. Why did it switch from my devotion to a charge rifle when I took the portal?
No idea, man.
We gotta play this carefully. Yeah.
Go far side. My guy died.
Okay, that's fine. Dude, that's so cringe. I'm trying to find these guys. This guy here. Look at these guys.
Yeah, I know. I saw him from the side.
Oh, he's fucking loaded, brother. I didn't. Oh,
Oh, this guy back here.
yeah.
On your left.
I missed everything. Where is he?
Knock.
We got that. We should have been where Valkyrie is.
They just pushed you. I was just trying to get you.
They don't know you're up there. They don't know you're up there. Yeah. One HP on one. Oh, fuck. shitting on them.
Two knock.
Yeah, good. Nice.
Guy right here.
Yeah. Oh, he had a 14. Must be one last guy, huh?
Two.
One up. Oh, fuck, brother. Other team, run. Take boy. Fuck, bro. We were doing.
Under.
Yeah, well, I mean, he's low. I'm gonna shield swap him since you guys didn't. I didn't use ult for it. There's 153. He's dead. Nice. That was crazy. That was a crazy shot. I'll have you know.
Hop up here. Skull piercer. 1 minute. We have time.
Let me go this way.
Targeting that field has been cleared and the true test begins. Here. Spotted an enemy. These ties bind.
I wanted to approach the caustic ult. That's a bad idea. Very bad idea.
Take my ult.
I don't know where it is. Oh, I see it.
Move this way. I'm at max level.
They're hiding behind the silo. Nice.
What a pitiful squad. Even
Okay, there's. What is that? There's a bunch of purple attachments in here, guys. Like,
I need that mag.
yeah. Get you some.
I don't know where that team was above us.
I
That
don't know.
cage.
Okay, I'm gonna look. They just shot me with the bow. I will teach them to pay for that. 100. 100.
Broken enemy shield.
Yeah, don't peek me, bitch. Told you.
On.
enemy here.
Okay,
The ring is
I don't have all. Oh, I got a knock sound.
closes. Use it well.
Recharging my shield.
They're still shooting out from the cage. Want me to keep them out?
Got one.
Down an enemy. Reloading. Reload. Moving here. One less.
We don't go there, bro.
Can Q through the wall? Yeah, we gotta go back.
Yeah.
No. Q through the wall if you can.
Let's regroup here.
Yeah, take wall. Take wall.
I'm cooming. I got the kill on someone. It was that fucking sparrow that had the bow. Pussy. I have ult soon. Go, go, go.
That's lifeline.
Nice, nice. We gotta move still. Let's go.
Guy on our left, I think.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, water. Under me.
Rerouted that squad. Ours is between us.
I
Where we
got
going?
ult. You want me to go up here?
We can't take that spot now.
Wait, there's a bunch of people fighting. Oh, behind. I almost killed one too.
We routed that squad.
Up on top.
Yeah. Oh, guy right here. Team.
I know.
He doesn't
I
have
just
a
don't-
void.
Oh.
Pulling me.
Yeah. That's two.
Recharging shields.
They jump scared the shit out of me and I did not fucking cue him.
I don't have any ammo.
What do you need?
Energy.
Oh, I don't have shit.
Ulting us out.
Okay. Yeah. Cringe kid. They're gonna take ult. Look back at it.
I'm looking
I
at
have
it.
ult.
I have another ult. I can ult us upwards.
Okay.
On our right.
I'm gonna ult as soon as I get up there. He's blind. He's blind. How did he get his health back?
Ult.
Shields are depleted.
He's over here.
Target there.
Yeah, I know. I'm watching.
I don't see him now, though.
Me either.
They might have dropped. Try and get the res.
I don't have heavy, really.
I hear him.
Fuck you. Get your lifeline all cut. Or lifeline res.
I'm all out of energy. Our left.
Replenishing my shields.
Man, I'm so low on all ammo types.
Yeah, I've got none.
82. She's solo.
Guy right here.
The enemy is moving in.
Hold on.
Adjust your
Ooh, she almost died.
recharging shields. I need shields. Enemy far off.
Let's see.
Hold on. Recharging shields.
Where'd that life
I'm out
she
of
is?
energy ammo.
She's solo.
Target spotted.
Recharging my shields.
Ooh, careful.
One less enemy.
I only got 18 energy.
Here, just start shooting on these guys. Down here.
Thank you. Where at?
Well, I think they moved inward.
Puts you in a bind.
Yes.
In the door.
Easy, dude. My final. Oh, fuck.
Cracked her. Cross.
You
Ooh,
have to look here too.
Cravert.
Me too. I don't think either are full teams, bro.
Adjust your strategy. Found by my enemy in the distance. Caught with no way.
Dropped.
Reloading. Recharge.
She's 1 HP, brother.
Let me know when you got ult. We can go cross. In fact, that's what
We
I'm
can
doing.
craft. Wait, they went and took a
One squad remains.
void next to someone.
No, they're right here.
Target close.
Okay. Yeah.
They're rezzing in there.
I don't have nades.
It don't matter.
Fear not, companions. The ring is near and closing in 10 seconds.
I am low on
Let me know
ammo.
when you got ult.
I must find a new supply.
58.
Just wait till they start walking out. I'm watching backside.
Mm-hmm. Much in front.
Backside.
They will be found.
They ulted. Sparrow ult.
There's only two. 86%. Got one. He knocked me. Go kill him. Kill his ass.
Literally no ammo.
He's the only guy left. He's cracked. Oh, we got his shield swap. Okay, we lose. Wait, what? Did you sky name?
No, I just put regular nade down. No ammo, by the way.
Thing. I did not that fucking Watson though. Sheesh. He's so mad, dude. He got the shield swap and everything. He's like, I got this, guys. Don't worry.
It fleshed him and it flung him outside of the ring.
Increases. A testament to
That's how he killed.
It had to have
Holy
been.
fuck, look at our damages, bro.
I know.
We cooked.
Yeah, we were doing pretty good.
I got 321.
Yeah, I got 3 something. 334.